In the figure below, two identical right-angled triangles overlapped each other as shown. Find the area of the shaded region. Now, the first and foremost important item here is that the two triangles are exactly the same. Alright, there's nothing different about it. They are exactly equal, which means that this overlap section here will have the same area in both these triangles, which then tells us that the remaining area that is not overlapped, alright, this blue side here and this blue section here must be equal in area. Alright, so let me explain that once more. Okay, look at this triangle. The overlap area is the red color and the remaining area is the shaded part, right? This shaded part. The second identical triangle here, the overlap area is the red color and the remaining area is the blue part, which tells us that these two blue parts must be the same in area. So how do we find the area of the shaded part? We don't have much information about this section. So instead of focusing on this section here, we focus on this top section right here, because the areas are exactly the same. Okay, so how do we find the area of that top blue section? Again, this is this part right now that we are focusing on. What we can do is to take note of this base here, which is 21, and this perpendicular height, which is 4, and we can first form for ourselves a rectangle. Alright, a rectangle like this, and the very first thing we can try to find is the area of this rectangle. And that, my friends, will be 21 times 4, length times breadth, which is going to be 84 square cm. Okay, but not forgetting, we still need to find the area of this greenish section here and here, which are both triangles. Okay, so to find this, you need to find one of the triangle here. You need the base. You also need the height, okay, the perpendicular height. Okay, same thing here. You need the base and you need a perpendicular height as well. Alright, the great thing about these two triangles is that they both have the same perpendicular height of 4. So we just need to find this base here and this base over here, which can be found easily as taking 30 minus 21. That will give you a combined base. The combined base for this and this will be 9 centimeter. So to find the areas of these two triangles, okay, imagine if you combine them together, right? They will look something like this. Okay, let's combine the two green triangles. Okay, so they will look something like this. So the combined base, we just found it to be 9 cm. And the height, the perpendicular height, is definitely going to be here, because 4 and this side, they are perpendicular. So 4 is there. So to find the two green triangles, we just take half times the base, which is 9, times the 4. (18 square cm), and the combined area that we need is 84 plus 18. And that will give us 102 square cm. Final answer for this question.